Unearthed Tours is the Hidden Gems experience of Dublin. It's a walking tour where we show you the sights and the sounds and all the things you might not see on other tours.
There's private tours, public tours, general history, culture, and then also more specific ones like the Dark Dublin Tour or the Women of Ireland Tour. I would say they have the best tour guides in Dublin. They use local guides that also have a lot of experience working in Dublin and all around Ireland. Guides that also love what they do, very kind of passionate and proud to show people around this great city of ours.
We had a really good time, I think.
Yeah, it was really great.
Yeah, I will definitely recommend as well. We had really friendly guide with the clear explanations of the history and the city. I think we recommend the tour, definitely, yeah.
Where can people find out more about Unearthed Tours? They can go to our website, unearthedtours.com. They can check us out or follow us on social media if they search Unearthed Tours on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or any of the social media sites.